number 7A. 7A. It is given in this question. Please pay attention. It is very, very important for creative question. A is given as by 1230, 1230, and B and 6 minus 93, 6 minus 93, and 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. This is A. And B is given 3 minus 30, 3 minus 30, then 639, 639, then it is 1234, 1234. It is B. We have to show that, I am going to write down here, A plus B whole to the power T. Please pay attention. Number 1, you have to show A plus B whole to the power T is equal to AT plus BT. Number 2, AB whole to the power T is equal to BT into AT. All are formula, okay? What I have written, this is the formula, okay? So let's try to do. At first, what is given? Question number 1. In question number 1, we are given A plus B. Can you please let me know what is A plus B? A plus B equals to what? Just let me know. 12. It is 12 plus 3, 15, right? 3 minus 3, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. 3 plus 9 equals to 12. Okay? Are you getting me? Okay. Now you see 3 plus 12 equals to 15. Then 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Minus 3 plus 4 equals to 1. This is A plus B, right? Now, if it is told to determine A plus B transpose, the word is transpose. Here T for transpose. And what is transpose? I will make you understand in the definition today. T for, write down T for transpose. What is transpose? If anywhere T is written, it will be transposed. That means column and row will be interchanged. Column and row will be interchanged. That means here, this is the row. This is the what? This is row. This is row 1. This is row 1. This is row 2. And this is row 3. And row 1 will now be a column. That means 15, 0, 0. Row 1 has been expressed here as column. What is row 2? Row 2 is 12 minus 6, 12. You see, row 2 has been written as second column. What is row 3? Row 3 is 15, 6, 1. You see, row 3 has now been written as column 3. So what is transpose? We have come to know. Transpose is what? It is nothing but the change of rows and columns between themselves. Okay? Row will be column, column will be row. I think you have got it. Now, this was the left-hand side of question number 1, left-hand side of question number 1. Now I am going to do the right-hand side of question number 1. right hand side, you see, in the right hand side we have, write down, right hand side is equal to, what is 880? A transpose plus B transpose. Now, what is 80? At first, you have to know what is 80. In 8A, these are the rows. These are the rows, which will be now expressed in columns, right? So we can write here this 1230. It is given as row. Now it will be column 1230. Okay, 1230. Now it is a column. Then 6 minus 9, 3. Then 3, 3 minus 3. This is 80. Now what is BT? You see what is BT? 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0. 6, 3, 9, 12, 3, 4. This is BT. 80 plus BT. Now you add to get the previous one. 12 plus 3, 15. 6 plus 6, 12. This is 15. Now it is what? 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 3 plus 3, that is minus 6. This is 6, 0, 12. Can you please similarize with the previous one and this one? Just can you please tell me what was A plus B whole to the power 2? This was?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now go to question number 2. Question number 2. You see in question number 2, we have AB. Question number 2, please try to understand. Question number 2, at first determine AB. 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 12, 3, 0. 12, 3, 0. 6 minus 9, 3. 3, 3 minus 3. This is A. And this is B. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 6, 3, 9. 12, 3, 4. Now you please, you all are required to find AB. Now find AB. Can you remember please how to find AB? Or you have forgotten? How to find AB? Have you forgotten, right? This 12 into 3, 36. Okay? Plus this 3 into 6 equals to what? Equals to what? 18. Plus, you see, this 0 into 12. 0 into 12 equals to what? 0. Have you got it or not? This is my question. All of you, please. Perhaps it means that you have not got me or you are not getting me. Everybody? No response from you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, you again multiply in the same way second row. So it is second row. So second row means what? 6 into 3, that is 18. Minus 9 into 6, 54. 3 into 12 plus 36. This is second row. In the same way, you go for third row. I am going to mark it so that you may get it very easily. Okay. Then it is this. Then it is. I think you have got it now. Now for third row, you see, you similarize the colors. 3 into 3, that is 9. 3 into 6 plus 18. And it is minus 3 into 12, that is minus 36. Okay. Now you see, suppose it is not given in the question, you forget it forever. Now what will we get? We'll get now in the same way this minus 3. We'll get in the same way this 3. We will get in the same way now this 3. Okay. Now you calculate it. You see what will be here. First row. Now this is the second column. That is, we are going to calculate this one. Okay. Second column. Yes. Similarly, you multiply this into this minus 36. This into this plus 9. 0 into 3 plus 0. Now here in the second column, in the same way, this is second row, second column. 6 into minus 3 minus 18. Minus 3 into 3 minus 27. Then 3 into 3 plus 9. In the same way, we get 3 into minus 3 minus 9. 3 into 3 plus 9 minus 3 into 3 minus 9. If I am mistaken anywhere, just to multiply or addition, you are required to let me know. Now you see, this is 0. Okay. And this is 9. And this is obviously 4. Okay. Now, for a while you think this is not given. Now you multiply 12 into 0 equals to 0. 3 into 9 equals to 27. Then 0 into 4, that is 0. Second row, 6 into 0, 0. Minus 9 into 9, minus 81. 3 into 4, that is plus 12. Here, 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 9, 27. Here, minus 3 into 4, minus 12. Which is equal to, please calculate it at a time. Which is equal to what I am writing here, I am going to write it here. Which is equal to, please calculate. This is 54. This is 54. This is what? Minus 27. This is what? Only 27. This is what? 18 or 36. That is 54. That is 0. It is what? 45 minus 36. It is what? Minus 79, perhaps. This is minus 9. Can you see this? Yes, you can see. This is minus 9. And this is 27 minus 12, that is 15. So we have got the left-hand side of question number 2. Now we are going to find BT.
Sir, minus 69 হবে না? 79 টা?
You're absolutely right. It is minus 69. I'm sorry. Okay. Now you are required to go to question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. Okay. Now, right hand side, of question number 2 is given as by BT 80. What will we do? We will write BT at a time. We will write BT at a time. What is BT here? You see, BT equals to 1230, 1230, 6 minus 9, 3, 3, 3 minus 3. This is BT. And what is 80? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just absolutely wrong. Again, BT. This is B, but I have considered here A. This is B. BT equals to what? BT equals to 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 6, 3, 9. 6, 3, 9. 12, 3, 4. This is BT. And what is 80? It is 80. What is 80? 12, 3, 0. 6 minus 9, 3. And 3, 3 minus 3. Okay, now you just calculate it by yourself. Now you calculate, please. Like the previous math, you have to calculate now. Equals to what? Can you calculate? 3 into 12. 3 into 12, that is 36. 6 into 3, that is 18. 12 into 0. 12 into 0, that is plus 0. Okay? You can go to the second row. Minus 3 into 12, minus 36. 3 into 3, that is 9. 3 into 0, that is plus 0. Okay, now go to the third row. What is in the third row? 0. 0 into 12, 0. 9 into 3, that is 27. And here 4 into 0, that is 0. Now you see, we are going to, it is not given, suppose we are going to the second column. In the same way, you multiply 3 into 6 equals to what? 18. 6 into minus 9, 54. 12 into 3, that is plus 36. Now this part, minus 3 into 6, that is minus 18. 3 into minus 9, minus 27. 3 into 3, that is plus 9. 0 into 6, that is 0. Minus 81, plus 12. Now the third column. Suppose it is not. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. Then it is minus 36. Minus 3. 3s are minus 9. Plus 9. Minus 9. Here it is 0. It is plus 27. Minus 12. Now can you calculate and similarize with the previous one? It is 54. It is what? Minus 27. It is what? Only 27. It is what? 0. Okay. It is minus 36. It is minus 69. Okay. Then we are getting here. Okay, just wait, there is something mistaken here. Okay, here we are getting also 9 plus 18, what? Minus 9. It is minus 9. It is 15. But you see, our math is not done yet, right? That we found for the last math is, and it is it okay? No. Hello, everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Was this? No.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
You write down left hand side. What was the left hand side? Left hand side was AB whole to the power T, right? We did not have any functioning on T. Can you remember, please? So
Yes, sir.
what was AB? Your AB was 54 minus 27, it is AB, okay? And it was 0 minus 36 minus 69, it is minus 9, 15. At last we have got it, right? We got it. You see, please talk to me. What was AB? I am asking you only one question. What was AB? This was AB?
Yes, sir.
Now it is T. I did not do any functioning on T. So this is T. I have given here T. If it is T, then you just calculate it in this way. 54 minus 27. Okay. Then 27. Then it is 0 minus 36 minus 69 minus 9 minus 9, 15. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So we have got this and this same. So our proof is done. Actually, I forgot to find AB whole to the power t. Not a matter, you can do it afterwards. Then question number B. You see, all of you, please pay attention. A equals to 1, 0, minus 2. Some of you has loudspeaker, please switch up. 1, 0, minus 2. 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3. And B is equal to given minus 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, minus 2. B is given minus 3, 1, minus 3, 1, 2, 4, and 1, minus 2. You have to prove that AB whole to the power t, you have to prove that AB whole to the power t, it is a formula, BT, AT. Now, will you do it at home or you will do now? I'm not getting any answer from you. Do you like to do it now? Those who wants to talk, please, there's a button in your mobile, okay, that it is written mute. Okay, is it? Another option, if you click here, then you will get unmute. If you want to talk, then it will be. If you don't want to talk, then it will be. It is if you talk, it is if you don't talk. Okay? When you do like to talk to me, then you just press here. When you don't want to talk, press here. If it is in this mode, then you can talk. Anyway, you please talk to me that will you do it at home or I will do? Simple question.
Sir, বাসায় করে
Sir, we
নেব।
will do.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So it will be given as homework. Now, dear students, I am going to some definitions. So all of you please pay attention. Okay. At the beginning day, I tried my level best to make you understand about matrix. What is matrix? That is the array. Can you remember? Now, some matrices, you please pay attention. Okay, at first we are going to find out row matrix. Row matrix. By the word row, we understand. That is, it is 1, 2, 3. It is row matrix. Only one row. What I have got? Only one row. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. If you have any question, you can talk to me. Hello? Actually, what we understand by matrix, we understand by matrix A, I, J, right? M into N. Please talk to me. Here M means what?
Yes, sir.
M means what? Row. Here N means what? Column. In row matrix, how many rows we have? Suppose if it is indicated by A, then how many rows we have? Only one row? Is
Yes,
it?
sir.
So it is a matrix of order 1 into n. This is called row matrix. That is, it is row, number of row is 1, and it is column, we don't know how many columns are there. Infinite number of columns. Another matrix or row matrix can be given on, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also row matrix. Here it is to be indicated in this way, 1 into n. Though I know n here, we know n equals to 8. 1 into 8, 1 into n, 1 into 3, all are row matrix. Have you got me or not? What I am going to make you understand? This type of questions.
Sir.
Yes, this type of questions are normally given in the examination. So row matrix, what is the format of row matrix? Order is 1 into n. Please write it. Row matrix order 1 into n. If you just know only this part, then it is possible in the exam hall. Which kind of matrix is this? A matrix will be given in the exam and it will be told which kind of matrix is this. Then you have to write down. Now we are going to write down column matrix. Number 2. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column. That means it is A, B, C. How many columns are there? Only one column?
Yes, sir.
Normally, we know matrix is like this, A, I, J. Okay? Is this? That is M into N. Here, M is row and N is column. Is this? But for column matrix, we are getting this is column, only one column. We are getting the order of M into 1. And here, what is the order? 3 into 1. 3 rows, 1 column. Okay, 8 rows, 1 column. Okay, M rows, number of rows is M, only 1 column. So this type of examples are column matrix. Have you got me or not?
Yes, sir.
That's good. You write down principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. I think all of you will come to understand what is principal diagonal. You see, any matrix I am going to write down. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. This is called, okay. Now the entries. Can you tell me what is the entries here? 1. If it is considered as by Aij, then it is what? A11. A11 means what? It is row, it is column, or first row, first column. Am I right or am I right? Everybody?
Yes,
A1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A11. Okay. A11. It is A12. It is A13. Right? Okay. Very good. Principal diagonal. You see. If I draw a straight line, okay, which starts from A11. A11 means first row, first column. Now, some of you can tell, sir, we can draw it also from here. Some of you can tell, right? But no, it is 3-1. No. The straight line is to be drawn starting from A11. This is the entry A11. That means diagonal, you understand, there are two diagonals here. The diagonal which starts with A11 is called the principal diagonal. If you have failed to understand, you please talk to me. Okay. And along this straight line, okay, along this straight line, I equals to j. I equals to j. You understand what is the meaning of I equals to j? That means number of row and number of column. I mean the entries along the principal diagonal. It is A11. Can you remember, please? It is A11. It is 1, 2. It is 1, 3. It is 2, 1. It is 2, 2. It is 2, 3. It is 3, 1. 3, 2. 3, 3. Have you seen? The entry is 1, 5, 9. Here it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What is 1, 1? What is 2, 2? What is 3, 3? They are I and j. Here I equal to j. The entries are I equals to j. Have you got me or not? That is row and column equal. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, in this question, there is another thing named trace. T-R-A-C-E. What is trace? Write down the definition. Sum to Adita. Sum of the entries. Sum of the entries. Okay, along principal diagonal. Principal diagonal is called the trace. Trace equal to what? Please write down the definition. It will be given in the examination. 2 marks. Trace equals to what? Sum of the entries along the principal diagonal. That means here, what are the entries? Can you please tell me? What are the entries here? What are the entries? 1, 5, and 9 equals to what? So, you may not get question in the exam hall, but you will be given a question. Okay, a matrix will be given, MCQ question. What is this trace? Answer is 15. Please switch off your loudspeaker. I think you have got me. The entries along the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal is also known as main diagonal. Main diagonal. It also known as a leading diagonal. You write down leading diagonal. Okay. It has 3 names: principal diagonal, main diagonal, or leading diagonal. So, dear students, I think you have come to know what is trace and what is principal diagonal. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That's good.
স্যার আই আর জে কি বলেছিলেন একটু আবার বলবেন?
Please talk to me again.
স্যার আই আর জেটা কি বলেছিলেন একটু আবার বলবেন স্যার?
I and J?
জি স্যার।
It is row. It is column.
আচ্ছা জি স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
Okay. RC Kola, first day I told you, Royal Kola Ramesh Chandra Biswas sir. Okay. In this question, it is told trace equal to 18. What is the value of X? Who can answer? This was given in the university admission test last year. Trace is equal to 18. What is the, okay. What do you know? trace is made. The meaning of trace is sum of the entries along the principal diagonal, right? This is the principal diagonal. That means here x plus x equals to 18. I request you not to, switch on your loudspeaker. Please, all of you use earphone, okay? Because when you make sound, as I am using microphone, just so that I should go to a doctor, okay? I think you have got me? Yes. Anyway, so sum of the entries along the principal diagonal is called the trace. So equal to 3x equals to 18. So we are getting x equals to 6. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, definition is given in the book, but actually you have to understand what is given. Okay, by this way, that day I told you about square matrix. You write down number 4, square matrix. A square matrix. It is very easy and simple. A matrix of same order, same row and same column. A is equal to Aij. What is meant by this? Here it is, suppose what? M into N. Is it the formula? M into N. But if it is a square matrix, if A is write down, if A is a square matrix, then we must have M equals to N. That means N into N is a square matrix, or M into M is a square matrix. That means number of row and number of column will be same. That is 3 into 3 is a square matrix. That is 2 into 2 is a square matrix. That is 5 into 5. It is M into M, or N into N, or M into M. It is called a square matrix. As for example, 2 by 2 order, if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, it is a square matrix. Number of rows 2, number of columns 2. You understand? It is a square matrix of 2 by 2. Have you got me? Now I am again going to the principal diagonal. I have something to say to you. Please try to understand. In this book, Akshar Patra, the definition is not clear. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the principal diagonal. There is no doubt. Very good. I am going to write down this B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the principal diagonal is this. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But is there any principal diagonal here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Suppose it is C. It is D. Is there any principal diagonal here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Very good. It is E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there any principal diagonal here?
No, sir.
Okay, you are right. Suppose it is F. It is F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it? No, right? Always your answer will be no, no, and no, right? So you have come to know that yes, it has a principal diagonal. Its trace is what? 1 plus 5 plus 9, right? It is also a principal diagonal. Its trace is 1 plus 4. Am I right or am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But can you tell me please what I started? A Pranishak is there.
No,
Sir,
sir.
it has to be a square matrix.
Why Pranishak is not there? He needed a definition of matrix. Just can any of you please tell him to join?
ও স্যার ও তো খালি সাউন্ড স্যারের ক্লাস ঠিকমতো করেছে অন্য কোথাও ঠিকমতো আসে না
Oh, it's okay. He told me that he needed matrix. Anyway, forget it. So but you can call. The Amit sir has told to join today at least. Okay, anyway, So what we are getting here? We are getting here this as principal diagonal, principal diagonal. Very good. But in the definition, what I told you, Aij, where I equals to j equals to 1. That means the entry which will start 1, 1. 1, 1 means what? This is 1, 1. I told you 1, 1. First row, first column. 1, 1 means what? First row, first column. Right? Baba, it is 1, 2. It
Yes,
is 1,
sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
So it is also 1, 1. First row, first column. It is also 1, 1. First row, first column. It is also 1, 1. First row, first column. It is also 1, 1. First row, first column. Yes, we can draw. We can draw here principal diagonal. 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 Though all the entries are absent, I mean, all the entries are not given, but principal diagonal can be drawn. I think you have got me. Because I told you that straight line which will be started from A11. It is A11, it is A12, it is A13. It is A11, it is A12, it is A13. First row. This is the first row. This is the first row. Okay, so it has started with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 1. This is 1, 1. This is 1, 1. Yes, principal diagonal can be drawn, but we will not get the trace. To get trace, we need all entries along the principal diagonal. Here all the entries are not given. 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 For this, we will fail to get the trace. Trace means what? Number of all entries along principal diagonal. I think you have got it right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you upper triangular matrix. Write down.
স্যার
Upper,
তাহলে কি স্যার স্যার প্রিন্সিপাল ডায়াগোনাল স্যার সব ক্ষেত্রে আঁকা সম্ভব স্যার?
yes. But
আচ্ছা ওকে স্যার।
in all the cases, we may not get trace. Upper
Okay,
triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. What is meant by this? Upper triangular matrix. And at a time, I'm going to show you lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. Okay. In the same example, I will try to make you understand upper triangular matrix. You see, I'm going to write down a matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 0, 0, 6. Can you please tell me which one is the principal diagonal?
1, 4, 6.
This one? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Above the principal diagonal, we have non-zero entries. Above the principal diagonal, above principal diagonal, what we are getting? Non-zero entries. What I am telling you? Non-zero entries. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And below the principal diagonal, we are getting zero entries.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen? We can draw a triangle here. A right angle triangle can be drawn. This is called upper triangular. This is triangular, sorry. Upper triangular matrix. I think I've got it. Is it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am not going to do this now. Upper triangular matrix, I am again showing you. Here, Aij, it's okay. It is always Aij. Okay, not a matter. Aij, it's okay. But the condition is I greater than j. What is meant by this? Can you please tell me? What is meant by this I greater than j? If you can tell me, then you are the boss. Okay, perhaps you cannot. Okay, let's see here. Here, what is the condition? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Here, I means what? Row. Here, J means what? Column. First one is I, second one is column. In this question, what is the upper triangular matrix? This is? Okay?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Here, what is I? I equals to 1. Here, I equals to what? You see? You please try to understand. Upper triangular matrix. Try to understand. For non-zero entries, you see, here I is always greater than j. Suppose this is 2. Here 2 is greater than 1. It is 3. 3 is greater than 1. It is 3, 2. You see 3 is greater than 2. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
And you have to write here one thing that I have not written. It is equal to 0. Aij equals to 0. Condition I greater than 0. It is the condition on 0. It is the condition on 0. You see, in this question, it was what? 0. In this question, it was what? 0. In this question, it was 0. Please write. So I have written Aij equals to 0. Condition I greater than j. In this total 9 entries, we have Ij, right? But here I greater than 0. I greater than j. Here I greater than j. Here I greater than j. It is 3, 2. That is 3 greater than 2. That is I greater than j. Here it is 3, 1. That is I greater than, this is I. And this is j. I greater than j. Here 2, 1. I 2. J 1. I greater than j. I mean, it is equal to 0 when I is greater than j. Please try to understand. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Perhaps not. Anyway, for lower triangular matrix, perhaps you will come to understand again. Please try to understand from the very beginning. Lower diagonal matrix. Lower diagonal matrix. You will see an example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 0, 0. Suppose 2. What will be here? All will be 0 here. This is 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6. You see, this is the principal diagonal. Okay? Are you getting it? Lower triangular matrix. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see, in this question, Ai0 equals to 0. When Aij equals to 0? If I is less than j. What is meant by this? It is 1, 1. So it is 1, 2. It is what? 1, 3. Talk to me. and it is 1 1. You see, I first one is I, second one is J, 1 is less than 2. You see, 1 is less than 2. Here 1 comma 3, 1 is less than 3. That is I is less than J.
Sir, lower diagonal matrix or lower triangular matrix?
Lower, it is triangular. Why I will write diagonal? Triangular. Lower triangular matrix. Okay, is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you go to diagonal matrix. Now diagonal matrix. It is very easy and simple. Diagonal matrix means what? Suppose it is 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 3 0 3. Along the principal diagonal, all the entries will be non-zero. Write down non-zero entries. Non-zero entries. Non-zero entries along principal diagonal. Non-zero entries along principal diagonal. Talk to me. Okay, and other entries will be 0. Along the principal diagonal, okay, if we see that there are non-zero entries, then it will be called a diagonal matrix. For your kind information, all the matrices what I am going to show you, they are A-square matrix. Okay? Are you getting me, please?
Yes, sir.
Here, what is the condition? Write down. A is a matrix, Aij, okay? Aij, where Ai is equals to what? Not equal to 0. Condition, I is equal to J. This condition, many of you may not understand. Not equal to 0, where, I'm sorry, I equal to J. Here what? It is 1 1. Please try to understand 1 1. It is 2 2. It is 3 3, right? In this way.
Yes,
So
Yes, sir.
I equal to J. And they are not equal to 0. Have you got me? I'm not getting you. When I is not equal to J, it is written. I is not equal to J. Of order M if I is equal to 0. Oh, actually, okay, it's okay. I am right. I am not wrong. They have written, you know, what they have written? They have written Ij equal to 0, where I not equal to J. Same thing. Here not equal, here equal. Here equal, here not equal. Vice versa, you understand? This is also applicable, but it is the most appropriate. Can you see the board clearly today?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How and why? Huh? You see, a scalar matrix. Very easy and simple. Suppose last time we gave some examples of diagonal matrix. Suppose if it is given 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5, then it is called a scalar matrix. A scalar matrix and diagonal matrix, there is difference, but there is also similarities. You see the diagonal matrix 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. You see what is the difference? They are non-zero. Here they are also non-zero, right? Other entries are 0, other entries are 0. So there are similarities, right? But there is only one difference. For a scalar matrix, the entries along the principal diagonal will be equal. Have you got me, please? Talk to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is a scalar matrix? The entries along the principal diagonal will be equal and other entries will be 0. Okay, so what is the condition? The first condition for a scalar matrix, it is to be a square matrix. Number 2, along principal diagonal, non-zero entries, right? And these non-zero entries will be equal. And other entries are 0. So there are too many conditions, okay, to become a scalar matrix. Now, it is a question to all of you. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. AI equals to what? Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me? Important question. It also given in the last year in the examination admission test. This is 3, 4. I means what? 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can you please do 1 into 1, 1 plus 0, 3 into, then it is 3, it's okay. 3 into 1 equals to what? 3, 4 into 0, it is 0. Now it is here, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2. Now it is 3 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4. What we are getting here? We are getting here 1, 2, 3, 4. The interesting fact is that A equals to this, AI equals to this. And you see, the most interesting fact is that this and this are equal. So can we come to a formula from 2D onward that AI equals to A? Hello, everybody. A plus
তাহলে কি স্যার আমরা I এর সাথে যাই ইনটু করব ওইটাই আসবে আবার অ্যানসারে?
You are absolutely right. I am going to that portion. A plus 0. I am going to your question. A plus 0 equals to what? A? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is called identity of addition. What is meant by this? What is identity of addition? If identity is added to any number and there is no change after summation, then it is called identity of addition. I think you have got it. I have added 0 to this number, but in the summation there is no sense, right? So this is known as identity of addition. Please talk to me. I am going to show you A into 1 equals to what? A. I have multiplied A with 1, but in the product, we are not getting any change. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A into 1 equals to what? A. But in the product, we are not getting any. In the product, we are not getting any change. This one is known as identity of multiplication. Are you getting me, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see here actually 1 equals to what? A by A. That means A into A to the power minus 1. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So here I equals to what? This is I, identity of matrix. It please switch up your loudspeaker. I request you. This is identity of addition. This is identity
sir.
of this is identity of multiplication.
Yes, sir.
And this is identity of matrix, because after multiplication with a matrix, we are getting the same product A. So it is called identity of matrix. I can be written A inverse, right? So this is the formula. Can you please switch up your loudspeaker? I cannot tolerate, please. I request you. So I have to mute all. If you don't do. Will I? Very noisy sound. Sorry. Hello. Now you see. So we are getting this identity equals to A inverse. Suppose A is 1, 2, 3. You try to understand. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. If anyhow, I know I'll try my level best to make you understand what is A inverse, but not now. It is in the second chapter, how to find the inverse matrix. Suppose we will get this something, right? Suppose we will get A inverse. And if we multiply this A inverse and A, then the result will be always I. That is B inverse. The result is I. I means what? I means what? If it is 2 by 2, it will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Suppose if it is I2, then it will be like that. Now the question is, a question is given in Dhaka University last year. AB equals to A, B equals to what? Nothing is given else. Who is the hero or heroine in mathematics? I want to see. Time 10 seconds.
I.
Who has told it? Yes, it is I. It is not 1. For matrix, A into 1, then it is A. But when it is matrix, of course, it will be mentioned that it is matrix. You see, AB is equal to A if and only if we get AI equals to A, and there is no other option. Is there any other option? That means what we are getting here? We are getting here the value of B is I. So answer is B equals to I. Are you getting me or not? Just let me know.
Yes, sir. বুঝেছি, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to then identity matrix. I have just told you. Zero matrix or null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. I think you understand by this time what is zero matrix. All the entries are zero. All entries are zero. That means what? This is 0, 0. This is a zero matrix. Can you please tell me if we have failed to understand? Idempotent matrix. Dear students, you have done a lot of maths in your life on matrix, okay? Now, I am going to give you an example of A equals to 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. It is my earnest request to all of you. Can you please find it? Be quick, be quick. You find A square. Don't take time. I request you all, A square.
Sir, A আসে sir.
Is this 2
Sir.
minus 2, 1 minus 1? Are you getting this? Equals to A. If we get anywhere, A square equals to A cube equals to A into A square. A square means A into A, that is A square, that is equal to A. In this type, if we get anywhere, this is known as idempotent matrix. A is an idempotent matrix if A square equals to A cube equals to A. Have you got the answer? What is called idempotent matrix? A matrix A is said to be idempotent. Write down. A matrix A is an idempotent matrix if A square equals to A cube equals to A. I think you have got it. Nilpotent. That was idempotent and now it is nilpotent. A matrix A will be nilpotent if and only if A cube equals to A square equals to 0. A matrix is nilpotent if we get A cube equals to A square equals to whatever it is equals to 0. That means I am giving you an example. A equals to 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, again 2 minus 2. A is a matrix. Interesting fact is that if I find A square, that is A into A, we will get 0. Interesting fact is that if we find A cube, that is A into A square, we will get 0. So nilpotent. A matrix A is said to be nilpotent if this is the condition, if this condition is satisfied. Okay, same thing. For the last math, 0 was not given there. Now, involutory matrix. It is very easy. You just give emphasis on this I, then you will come to know. A matrix is called a matrix, a matrix A, suppose a matrix A is said to be involutory matrix if and only if A square equals to I. I means you understand identity. Please write down. A square equals to I. I means identity. That is 1, 0, 0, 1, this type of. Okay. Talk to me.
স্যার একটু আবার বলবেন স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Abar.
জি স্যার।
Okay. Suppose a matrix I have considered A equals to 2, 3 minus 1 minus 2. 2, 3 minus 1 minus 2. This is a matrix. Now I can find here A square equals to what? A into A. Am I right? Can you find? If the result is I, that is, if we get this is A. If we get A square equals to I means identity 1001. You know I means by this time identity. If I get A square equals to I, then it is known as involuntary matrix. Have you got it or not? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now transpose matrix. Transpose matrix. That when I told you today what is transpose. Okay. Suppose A is a matrix. Its transpose will be A to the power T. That means here row will be column or column will be row. You understand or not? Talk to me. Today you were taught by me transpose matrix. Their row and column will be interchanged, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose
Yes, sir.
A equals to Aij, then AT will be AJI. Have you got me? That means column, row will be column will be row. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again it is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Sorry. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is if a matrix will be symmetric if it is seen that a matrix A will be symmetric if A to the power T equals to A. This is called symmetric matrix. After getting transpose, if we get the same, have you got me or not? Talk to me. After getting
Yes,
its
sir.
transpose, suppose
Yes,
even
sir.
suppose A equals to 1, 2. Okay, and it is 1, 2. Suppose if I take it like this, 1, 2, it is 1, 2, then it will be 1, 2, it will be 2, 1. Suppose it is a matrix, okay? And what is its AT? Can you tell me please? Row will be column, row will be column, and column will be row. Are you getting the same?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting AT equals to A? Then it is called symmetric matrix. And the next question is skew symmetric matrix. Same thing. A matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix if it is seen that A to the power T equals to minus A. In mathematics and in statistics or anywhere, if you get this word, it means always negative. Remember one thing. Okay? Skew symmetric matrix will be when if A to the power T equals to minus A. Are you getting me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, what is submatrix? Submatrix. By the word, we understand what is submatrix. Suppose A is a matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you write? So from here, I can take this. Suppose B equals to, I can take this 1, 2, 4, 5. So just like a subset, B is a submatrix of A. I think you've got me. I can write here C equals to, suppose I can take this 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 5, 6, 8, 9. So C is a submatrix of A. I can also take D 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So D is a submatrix of A, right? Hello, everybody.
Yes,